And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now let's look at same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and then we achieve promenade position, and from here we dance running weave from promenade position, which takes 2 bars. Second bar is side cross. Now we continue with drag hesitation. We use this figure for 2 bars and we change sway here. Then we dance natural spin turn with pivot ending. And again natural spin turn, but this time man dances ladies steps and vice versa. And we finish choreography with chasse roll to right. Very good. Let's look once again and focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and then we achieve promenade position, ready to move down line of dance. With running weave from promenade position, second bar we move diagonally to center. And then down line of dance with drag hesitation for 2 bars. We change sway here. And then natural spin with pivot. We start to move to ball and then continue down line of dance with another natural spin action with pivot ending. And then around the corner chasse roll to right diagonally to new line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.